all happening too fast. Not like before. We don't want you to end up like... Never mind what I said. It's important that you remain calm and follow any memory you can at this point. Always coming back to the office. So many problems you've created. If only you had more time.
The hippocampus is critical only for recent memories, but not for older ones. Over time, the hippocampus teaches the surrounding brain, the cortex, how to represent a memory. An alternative theory accounts for these discrepancies by proposing that the hippocampus selectively stores one type of memory, episodic, while the surrounding cortex stores another, semantic. In the window well, it would be re-recording. It would be a copy of what's remembered, and now this is another copy. So it's simply another copy. Copied many times in both the hippocampus and the cortex. Cortical copies generate a new semantic. In theory, if you were to store these memories, it would be possible to preserve their integrity. This is, of course, assuming the memory... Then it must be possible. We can force ourselves to deliberately forget.
Through EEG measurements, we should be able to capture the exact moment when the memory is inhibited. That is when the degradation is imposed. The inhibition of memory uses our factor genres. But the information of the past.
They'll respond to your actions, but your own memories will drive behavior. So, let's say, for example, you say, if you do that, it will do that. And, okay, right. Sometimes I get concerned that false memories are being planted in your brain. Yep. Okay, I'll be in the back office. Yeah, I gotta figure out how to fix it.
You have one new message left today at 1:21 a.m. Please come home. Where are you?
Something very strange happened while you were in there. Remember when you discovered that the coefficient of the time spent remembering bad memories is directly disproportional to the time you spend regretting that time invested? Please, don't make things worse. Access to this part of your memory is not permitted. Don't be angry. It's all part of your design. You're not ready. Trust me.
The hippocampus is critical only for recent memories, but not for older ones. Over time,
I'm afraid I can't let this continue. I don't think you're ready for the truth.